And welcome to my channel Learn German. In today's video, we are going to do page number 15 of SSC Standard 8 German textbook. So this is the first page of lesson 2. The title is Berufo, meaning profession, Family, meaning family. Okay. The title of this page is Deutsch ist international. German is international. On this page, for the first part, there are some words given which are similar in the English language. The only difference is they are sometimes spelled or pronounced differently in German, but they have the same meaning as in English. For example, house, Bus, telephone, hotel, taxi, bank, photo, CD, recorder, camera, Fußball, auto meaning car, Handy meaning mobile phone, Internet, manager, Hamburger, Supermarkt, Computer, Kaffee, Musik, Touristin, Kaffee, Hand, Arm, Clown, Nummer, Glass, Cola, Limonade, Jeans, Steak, Buch, Name, Gitarre, Saxophon, Garage, Rockband, Radio, Popstar, and Mineral Wasser, meaning mineral water. The question is, was ist das? What is this? In this exercise, you just have to write the names of the pictures to complete the sentence. For example, das ist ein Dash, this is a dash, und das ist eine Dash, and this is a dash. So the first picture given is of a house and the second picture is of garage. So you have to fill in the words. For example, das ist ein Haus und das ist eine Garage. Next, das ist ein Radio und das ist eine Gitarre. Das ist ein Foto und das ist eine Kamera. Das ist ein Arm und das ist eine Hand. Das ist ein Bus und das ist eine Touristin. From this exercise, we understand that the indefinite article used for masculine or neutral pronouns and for the feminine nouns. For example, on the left hand side, house, radio, photo, arm, boost, these nouns have the gender masculine or neutral. Hence, the indefinite article used for them is ein. Whereas on the right side, all the nouns listed garage, guitar, camera, hand, and touristin. These nouns take feminine gender. That's why the indefinite article for them is eine. Okay guys, so thank you for watching my today's video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel.